Yo. Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FOREX, and right here we have we want to take a look at EU. Let's see what EU has for us. Let's go through EU and let's see how we can profit from EU. So EU from a weekly time frame, we've been retracing for some while now, and price has really been following up. Price has really been following up. So we are retracing. Remember, let's go down to 12 months. We are bearish on EU, we are bearish on G rather. You can see we have, this is meant to be an impulse. So this is an important review that we have. So this stock liquidity, we have a EMS here. We have a DMS at the bottom. Let's see from something. So this is the major sweep here, change, and we have continuation change. So here we have a fair value gap here. You can see how big the fair value gap is. So this supply seems to be a good supply for me, but not the same. There's still an impulse here. We have another supply here, and we have a final supply that brought this. So presently in the hour of things, or in the market of things, we are currently here, which is bullish. We've been buying GU for over a year now. So let's go down to 6 months and see 6 months. You can see the difference in 6 months is not as much as it is, but still it makes a lot of sense. Okay. It does make a lot of sense. So this is the last leg. We have a retracement on the last leg. So we still have the supply here. This is the first supply we are presently fighting with. This is the supply, and this is an inducement to the supply. Okay, so I'm still bullish on GU. I'm still bullish. I'm expecting bullish to come in as to fill up all the gaps in this zone. In this zone, you can see we have this supply here. If I fantasize this a little, you see that I kind of reduce the lengthening, but it's not bad. So I still love to buy GU because of this retracement. I want to see something like this retracement here. This retracement before we drop. So I'm looking to see more retracement. So let's go into 3 months. Also 3 months is looking very clear. So let's go to the last leg of things. This is the last leg of things. This is the last structure that was broken. Okay, so let me zoom into the last structure of things. This is the last structure that was broken here. This is the last low that was broken. So who's responsible for the breaking of this low? We have when price broke this, we have the supply here price came back to this supply. So let's use this zone. I would like to use this last man here, this extreme guy here, okay, because it sweeps the other guy's liquidity. So I'll make this a little bit darker. Okay, okay, so I like it like this. Okay, so I have this. I also have this here. First supply here. So I like the fact that this is the origin of the drop. This is where the drop starts from. So we have a rally base and we have a drop. So this is a base. So I still want to see price pull up into this zone. If I could, let's say, sells. Have in this base we have a first drop candle, base drop candle, so that's another supply. Let's respect that supply also. So to respect that supply, I would like to zoom in so that I want to be sure that we didn't touch anybody. Okay, so you can see why supply. This candle here is taller than this guy. Okay. This one too is taller than the guy. It took this high. So this is why I like the base. This is where the base started from. So before the drop. Okay. So start marking these ones with different colors. So I'm expecting price to come into this area before we see sell. So everything here is just a retracement, and price is currently retracing on GU. So let's go down to a month. A month, we have this demand. It looks a little bit different on 1 month. I would love to see price this week. Price gave us a strong candle here, so price has done its job. Yeah, I like to see this sweep like this, but if I do like this, you can see that price didn't to get that place. So we have a rally, base, rally. So this is the change of character. Price is presently inside demand, and we have the first push. Price came back to tap, and we're expecting at least all these highs to be swept. All these highs to be swept. So this guy should take out before this month ends. We should take out this high. So let me mark out my previous month's high and my previous month's low. Okay, so I know that there should be previous month's high to the right, then previous month low to the right also. Visible from 1 month, 1 to 1, yeah, to the left. Visible from the weekly view though, so 1 to 1, okay, so 1 to 1, so yeah, then so So price has taken out the high, so I need price in at least 50% fib of this low, 50% of this low. So it might come to the zone, it might not. So sometimes I just feel like I want to see price at least 50% before I buy up. So price pushed, tapped into this, so we're expecting this month to take out at least this previous month's high and this old high, and look out for this monthly inducements guy here. So that's number one target for me. So from monthly, let's go down to weekly. So you can see we have different readings from monthly to weekly. So when price came into this demand, we have a reaction for a continuation of buys, which is a rally. When price entered, we have a rally, we have a base, and presently have the rally. So if you want to continue, you must come back to this base to push higher. So this just gives me that everything happening here is a retracement. So I want to see this guy on the weekly and daily. So good. Also, I would like to use my feed to just check in the present high and low of things, and my OT zone falls between the zones. So it's also inclined with what I'm looking for. So you can see this is where price is telling me that price might currently buy from, but I can see that this falls between the equilibrium, from this equilibrium here down here. I should be expecting a reaction. So once price gets into this zone, which falls in between the equilibrium and the 0.75 fib zone, so once price retraces back into the zone, I'll be looking for lower confirmation to buy into this trade. So where would be my target? My target is 1.3. You can see I have 1.3 here. This is 129,600 or 129,500 and 13500. So let me do target spray here for these guys. So if I could get a good entry, I would like to hold from here. So probably I don't need this now. Probably I don't need this now. So what I need now is to look for sell setups. So because we are retracing, if we feel at least this is previous week. So taking previous months. So this is previous week I have been taking. So this is the new week. So let's give the new week what belongs to it. So this is I want to here. This is previous week high. Top right, not bad. Then lock. And previous week low. Previous week low. Bottom right and low. Wait. Visibility, let me change it. Trust. Okay, so unlucky. So now I'm looking for a refreshment in here. I can still bank from the retracement. So let's go down to 4 hours. So over the week, I spot some sales, but I didn't take it because this has not been completed yet. This is a descending channel, and price tapped into the demand and we pushed up. So I believe the 90% rule says that price should take out this high. So line wise, price didn't take it out, price got closed and price started to drop. So we have a drop, a flag pattern and a continuation there, which signifies that we have started selling from here. So but I need a good entry zone. That's for me, I need a good entry zone. So this is for my daily view. So for my daily view, what do I have? I have price broke this high. I'll probably use arrow so that I can just stick this arrow down. So where is the arrow? Oh, where is it? Arrow there. 1, 2. So this is the last low. Once this low gets taken, then we are good. So let me paint these guys up, and I would like to look for good entry. I like to look for good entry. So I want to see you guys on the just describe daily EMS at the top, center, okay, same thing here, daily, change of character, no, daily EMS, also at the top here, and I need to change the visibility here. So this will be my daily chart. This is where I want to see. You know, sometimes retracement might not give you as much entry as you want. So this is retracements on the daily chart. So good. So let me lock down all these guys. I have too many lines and readings. It's just a way to know what the market is doing. Don't find it offensive. I like to talk along with what market is doing so that I can get inclined with what market is doing. This flag is a corrective flag. You can see as an ascending flag, which says that it should come down to 90% here. So when I saw this flag, I knew that JU is about to retrace, but I didn't see a good entry. I wanted a flip zone, especially here. Okay, so this is 4 hour. So let's see how 4 hour is going. What's this? BMS. I don't know BMS. I don't know. I have it. So this was the drop, the correction, and the continuation of the drop. So this was where 4 hours started its on. So this is supposed to be, I don't know, with the 4 hour demand. It's supposed to be 4 hour demand. 4 hour demand. Yeah. So this is the last demand leg that we're actually working on. So let me zoom in this last leg because this is where I want to see a flip. Now here we have the 4 hour change of character. This is retracement 4 hour, then change of character down at the bottom right, so I can visibility only 4 hour, so I can lock you. So when price did this, price came back to this rally base drop here. So this is the guy that answered this supply, and it was tested a couple of times. So I'm going to go to 4 hour supply. So that's my 4 hour supply. It was tested. So presently what I have is I have a sweep here. I have a sweep here, and we have a change of character here. So the next supply has been identified here. but you know how market does things now. 1, 2, 4, yeah, we have a sweep there. Sometimes I like to just put SH stop point, probably. Then we have it for our here. This is where the chop happened. Bottom. Monday morning open level initial forex price 10 June. Okay, we have all news. Okay, so I can log this also. So my next supply zone will be right here. Yes, this week here. This will be my next zone. So let me zoom in. Okay, complete. Okay, good. So we have a sweep of this high, and we have a change of character with an impulsive move. So this is my next zone. If I see price in this zone, I'm gonna be interested to sell. Okay, I'm going to be interested in selling. Okay, so this is what confirms a solid supply or demand. It must take liquidity, it must change character, and it must have an impulsive move. So this is the 4 qualities that I look out for a solid supply or a demand. You can see this also. This took out liquidity here. Let me on our sweep. Let me go back to it. I like it to show very well. So we have this. You can see the sweep. We have this sweep, and we also have the change here. You can see this is ascending. We sweep this and we did BMS here, not check. So this also reflects why I'm looking to buy here. Okay, so we have this sweep. This is the candle that did this sweep, and we have same thing here, impulsive move. You can see how impulsive this guy is. Also, so we have an impulsive move there. We also have an impulsive move here. So we have 2 things attached. Now, for this supply to be valid, I want this demand to be taken. Especially this last man here. You can see I have my readings on this last man here. I would like this man to be taken. When this man gets taken, then I'm chasing the sell side. So from the sell side, let's look at all the demands that I have. You can see I already have some demand inside this weekly. I have what time frame is this for? We have a sweep here, and price came back to it, pulled up. So why is all these guys not in forward demand? Why am I changing them? We have a forward demand here. We have a forward demand here also. Then this is the daily, so I need one more forward demand here. This is the sweep, and okay, you can see this is the sweep, and it was mitigated. So visibility, Let me change this to 1 hour sweep. Okay, so do this here. Okay, so also we have some demand at the bottom here, but I'm not interested in all these ones. I'm not interested because this is the weekly demand. This is where we have the demand on the weekly, so I'm not expecting price to come here. So I'll wait for a confirmation in this zone. Let me clean up this guy first. So I'll wait for confirmation here. This is where I'm waiting for. So I'll wait for confirmation here. I've done the job. There's no flip here. Price didn't do a flip. This is the person that takes it out. We didn't see a reaction from the supply, like price sold here. We see a reaction here before we take it out. So we didn't see any reaction. We have an impulsive breakout. So who is responsible for that impulsive breakout? This is the person responsible. So nothing here. I'm waiting to see price take these people out here. If I see price take these people out, that's just the problem. Price may not be able to come back here and do this. That's just the problem. We might have a flip here, tests. So that's one thing you should be conversant with. Sometimes price will not come back to your zone and just do a flip or just use an immediate support to resistance zone to change the movement, and before you know it, you have wrecked it. So you just have to be observant and be open to what price is doing. This is purely price action. You just have to be open to what price is doing. So we have two strong impulse fighting against each other in that zone. So we're going to have some drastic move on Monday. Drastic move. So I will employ, I don't trade on Monday though. Even if I see money is on Monday, I don't like trading. I like to wait for my weekly analysis to incline with what the market is doing. So I would love to see either this low taking and we see a reaction inside the flip. So I would like this guy to be here because I'm trusting this guy to either do three things. Now we could either have a reaction here and drop. That's one. We could either break this and flip. That's two. Then we either break this and go back here for a full stretch. 3. So either of the 3 I want to see. So, but there's a possibility that this guy gets taken off. So if this guy gets taken off, boom, we are going off. We are going. If this guy gets taken off, we are going. I'm not waiting for sell anymore. For my sell to be confirmed, it has to take out any of this demand. Especially it has to do a daily change of character. A daily change of character. It has to tell me that price has changed its direction and ready to go in another direction. Then okay, I'm ready to follow. But if it doesn't do that, I'm just saying I'm not going to be in for that. No. I'm not going to be in. So I'm going to just use Monday to watch out for what happens here and see where we go from this protected low. If this protected low gets taken, then we are coming in for the retracement here. Yes, I think that's that on GU for now, guys. I love you all, guys. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for the likes, for the growth, for the community. You guys encourage me to do more. Thank you. Do like and subscribe as we'll move to the next one. Bye guys, see you.